The saying women's rights are human rights signifies the pursuit of gender equality in social, political, and economic fields. The ongoing struggle is evolving into practical implementation, addressing issues like freedom from violence, discrimination, education, property ownership, voting, and fair wages. Despite these being fundamental rights, the 21st century acknowledges the worldwide significance of promoting women's rights, demanding collective action to challenge stereotypes and foster inclusivity. Gender equality is portrayed as essential for a just, prosperous, and harmonious society, but challenges endure, including reproductive restrictions, gender-based violence, and unequal opportunities. The introduction sets the stage for exploring historical evolution, current challenges, and future goals in women's rights.
Our research focuses on three main objectives. Firstly, we aim to empower young females, especially Malaysian women, in tertiary education by enhancing their understanding of their rights outlined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Secondly, we seek to raise awareness about amendments to the law, addressing the lack of knowledge within Malaysian community on the critical legal discussion and exchanges. We believe it's crucial for Malaysians to stay informed on such matters. Lastly, we aim to analyze the impact of legal amendments on public perception, comparing opinions before and after the changes, and exploring their effects on children of Malaysian mothers. Through this objective, our research aims to deepen the understanding of human rights awareness, legal amendments, and their societal implication in Malaysia.
A survey on women's rights was conducted and 5 questions were asked during the survey. Here are the responses from those questions. Question 1. Majority of the respondents are aware that Malaysian mothers with binational children are not able to pass their nationality to their children, but Malaysian fathers with binational children are allowed to do so. However, 34.7% of the respondents are not aware of this. Hence, it is confirmed that there has been lack of awareness on this issue. Question 2. 98.7% of the respondents have agreed that it is important for Malaysian citizenship law to be more inclusive and supportive of Malaysian women, but there are respondents who disagree. This shows that there are still people who overlook this issue. Question 3. Quite a number of respondents think that the amendment of law will positively impact Malaysian society, while remaining respondents do not think so. Anyhow, it would be a positive impact if the amendments were made to grant equal rights and put an end to gender discrimination. Question 4. A high number of respondents has responded yes, and a minority of them has responded no to this question. Many of them are attentive that raising awareness is a crucial step in this issue. Lastly, question 5. Respondents were asked if these changes in law could affect the society, and majority of the respondents gave positive statement. This shows that people are aware of the beneficial effects of these amendments.
Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss about the status of Malaysian citizenship application for overseas born children. For those, their mothers are Malaysian, meanwhile the fathers are non-Malaysian. The possibilities of people applying for Malaysian citizenship is because our country is a multiracial country and has a wider opportunity to grow. This application presides of Malaysian mothers only have the chance of applying for Malaysian citizenship until the children reach the age of 21. According to the Article 15.2 of Federal Constitution 2011 to 11 October 2011, there are totally 6,296 applications and only 15.1% were approved. Meanwhile, 35.59% were denied and 43.28% are still in process. The rest 6% withdraw their application. Look at the next slide. From the Articles 15 to 6 Malaysian mothers' citizenship applications for their overseas born children, and only one of the applications for the citizenship on 2009 was approved. First application itself on March 2012 and literally approved after 3 years. Meanwhile, one of the applications were not replied even though applied twice, first in 2011 and second August of 2013, which later on rejected on 2016. Some applications were done by January 2013 and were rejected after 2 years, which on February 2015. Moreover, 2 other applications were done respectively on January 13 and July 15. The application of January 2013 were rejected after 2 years, which on February 2015, and reapplied on September 2016. Meanwhile, application of 2015 were rejected verbally nearly after 3 years, which on April 2018 and reapplied on the same year after 6 months of October 2018. These both applications has not replied yet with no further notice. On the other hand, another 2 applications, April 2017 was later rejected on October 2016 and second on February 2017, and the application of February 2017 was rejected on February 2019 and reapplied in 2019 in the government. These both haven't been replied. This both application has been similarly that the application was for young born. From this particular article, in my opinion, most of the rejection application not reply either because of their young born or no proper documentation and verification. Meanwhile, the firstborn gets their citizenship in the first attempt itself with the proper documentation and citizenship.
The impact of gender disparities in citizenship law on individuals and society. The discriminatory citizenship law is the main cause of child statelessness. This would deny children access to legal rights and social institutions, including education, employment opportunities, healthcare, and other basic rights, such as access to justice. Not only that, because of their nationality status, children would often feel isolated and excluded from the community. It also creates psychological distress, as children are unable to follow their dreams to pursue certain careers. Moving on to what the impact on society is. This issue shows women's unequal status in society and the family, telling the girls they are not equal citizens due to their gender. Moreover, the country would also suffer, and sustainable development is inhibited when such children are prevented from fully contributing to the society.
Gender disparities in nationality law refers to unequal treatment of men and women in the transmission of citizenship to their children. In many countries, including Malaysia, this law historically favors the transmission of citizenship through paternal lineage, resulting in significant implications to children born to Malaysian mothers. We chose this topic to raise awareness on the percentage of children who aren't able to live a normal life, such as going to a government school or even opening a bank account. We should keep an eye on the petition with the support of NGOs on this matter.